hello fellow subscribers of the Trotting Close official YouTube channel. Basically, yeah, here's a bit of update. So we're doing some track work today. So basically this track here is being lifted out for reasons, right? So basically the big issue is, as seen on track 2 here, the joints in the middle of the track here. Now basically what this kept doing is sometimes, because obviously this wasn't tacked down properly, mind, but then it's so much better to just put a full, you know, flex track round with no join in, because the thing is, like, the join moves, and obviously with the cold weather and stuff like that, the track expands, etc. It causes a lot of issues. For example, like at the Steam Gala we had recently, and this is what sort of jumped up my mind. The 9F, the visiting 9F, ran perfectly fine along this track on the first day, but then it got to the point where the second day, for some reason, it cut out and it kept sort of derailing around this area here because of this rubbishy curve here. And it also caused an S-bend over here. I don't know whether you've seen in the videos, but there's a bit of an S-bend over here, which was really a bit of a pain in the neck. So basically what we're doing today is we are cutting, I have measured it up. Here's my flexi track down here, so which I've cut. This is some Peco ballhead rail. So this is my flexi track which I've cut down with a hacksaw. I marked off the measurements, etc, etc. Obviously I'm sticking fish plates on it so it can be tacked down. The track tacks are under the sofa. And then yeah, so we're going to tack this down. As you've seen, the 33 is running on the track lifting train, which is pretty cool. So yeah, so we're going to tack this down, and then we're going to run a train over it, a test train, and see how it goes. The track pins were under the sofa, but I can't seem to find them. Oh, I'll tell you what though, like seriously, trying to get this flexi track in here is just, honestly, it's such a job and a half. It's a pain in the backside. So guys, I don't know what to say really. Do I recommend flexi track? Well, in all honesty, not really. It's such a faff. But to be honest with you, if you want decent curves and all that lark and prototypical layout, then sadly flexi track is the way to go. But I tell you what, it's such a faff. Like, you have to bend it, it moves around so much. All the freaking sleepers move down one end, the rails move everywhere. You can't put the fish plates on properly. You try and put it in, it just moves and it pisses about. I mean, honestly, it is a difficult operation with this. Here you go, you see, this is just one of the typical examples about how amazing this track is. I mean, look at this. Inches, right, okay? And I come around here, right, you see the curve is looking alright, it's looking quite nice. All that ends in. But of course, because everything's all moved around and that, especially when you cut the track and everything, it's just unbelievable, isn't it, really? On the plus side, I did manage to find my track pins. Yes. Okay, so that's it guys for today's episode of how to not fit track onto a layout. And yeah, so basically we are going to have to, well, most probably recut another section of track, probably the concrete sleepered one, because that is the only one I have left. So I've literally just wasted some perfectly good ballhead track, my last lot of ballhead track as well. And yeah, so, and then we'll continue this this subject on track work on a later date. Goodbye for now.